Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to assign work shifts to employees using the shift roster. The shift roster provides a simple calendar-based interface that helps you assign shifts to individual employees or entire departments with just a few clicks. Let's get started. From the left navigation menu, click Shift Roster. This opens the Assign Shift page. At the top of the page, you'll see an overview of your shift assignments, including the total assignments, assigned shifts, scheduled shifts, and the number of employees covered. Below that is the shift calendar, where all employee shift assignments are displayed. Above the calendar, you'll find several useful controls. Use the Today button to quickly return to the current date. Use the left and right arrow buttons to navigate between months. You can search for a specific employee using the Search Employee box. Use the Department drop-down to filter employees by department. On the right side, you can switch between month and week views depending on how you'd like to manage your schedule. You'll also find 3 action buttons at the top right: Assign Shift, Bulk Assignment, and Export. Let's first assign a shift to an employee. Click the orange Assign Shift button. A panel will slide in from the right side of the screen. At the top, you'll see 2 assignment options, by employee and by department. Let's begin with assigning a shift to individual employees. Make sure the By Employee tab is selected. Under the Employees field, select one or more employees from the drop-down list. Next, select the shift you'd like to assign from the shift drop-down. All previously created shifts will be available here. Now choose the shift start date. This is the date from which the selected shift will become active for the employee. If you'd like to leave any additional information, enter it in the Notes field. This step is optional. After reviewing all the information, click the orange Assign Shift button. The shift will immediately be assigned to the selected employee, and you'll see the assignment reflected in the shift roster calendar. Now let's see how to assign shifts to an entire department. Click the By Department tab. In the Departments drop-down, select the department you want to assign the shift to. Once a department is selected, all employees belonging to that department are automatically included. Next, select the appropriate shift from the shift drop-down. Choose the shift start date. Optionally, enter any notes related to this assignment. Finally, click the Assign Shift button. The selected shift will now be assigned to every employee in that department from the chosen start date. Back on the shift roster page, you'll notice that the calendar is automatically updated. Each assigned shift is displayed using a colored label, making it easy to identify different shift types at a glance. You can use the search box and department filter at any time to quickly locate specific employees or departments. If you need a copy of your shift roster, simply click the Export button to download the data. That's it. You've successfully learned how to assign shifts to individual employees as well as entire departments using the shift roster. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We'll see you in the next training video.